And now I'm going to show you how you would raise a maintenance issue. So I'm going to go back to living room and lounge. I've noticed that on the floor, there is now a stain. So I'm going to clear the contents of this again. And instead of choosing dispute, I'm going to type one in. So there's a stain evident in the left corner. I'm going to select a photo from library again. Again, you can take them. I'm going to say that its current cleanliness is fair, current condition fair. From here, you have the maintenance checklist. So I'm going to flag it for maintenance. I'm going to say that it needs cleaning because I would bring someone in to clean that. If it's just a general cleaning, I would maybe put that in the general overview, but because this is a specialized item, it is a carpet, I'm going to flag it for maintenance. I'm going to say that the tenant is responsible. I'm not going to add a cost or any comments here. You'll see also that we have a send to fixed flow option. If you do have an account with fixed flow, you can choose to send this to fixed flow right now once the report is completed, or you can choose to send it from the maintenance section of the tools within our desktop. If you'd like to learn more about using FixFlow on your account, we do have a separate webinar coming for that one, so please look out for that. I'm going to press no for now, and I'm going to definitely include this item in the report. So I'm going to go back to the overview. I have filled all of that in now. I'm going to press close.